Some users cannot open a specific application because of a regedit error. If you're also one of those users, you can check the solutions we have for you in this video. Now firstly, we recommend all users who need to resolve this issue first by running a full antivirus scan. So you can do this by opening Windows Security, click the Virus and Threat Protection tab, select Scan Options, click Windows Security Full Scan option, then press Scan Now to initiate the process. Now if Windows Security detects something, select the Remove Action option for everything detected. Then, click the Start Actions. Next up, try to scan and repair system files. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, execute the following command, then press Enter. Once done, type in the SFC command, then press Enter again. Now you have to wait until the tool scan gets to 100%. Then, you will see a Windows Resource Protection message in the prompt window. Lastly, what you can try to do is edit an environment variable to resolve this issue. All you have to do is search for View Advanced System Settings, select New Advanced System Settings to view a System Properties window, then click the Environment Variables, select Path, click on Edit on the Environment Variable window, input the following variable, and then press OK to save the changes. So those are the following fixes for the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.